welcome everyone. Now you're here, we'll have some fun. First we'll clap our hands just so, then we'll bend and touch our toes. Welcome everyone. Now you're here, we'll have some fun. Today's animal is a snake. Wee Beasties, Huggy the Python Hugs Too Hard by Dyckman. This is Huggy the Python. Huggy loves to hug the things he loves. But sometimes Huggy hugs too hard. Look, Huggy, a balloon. Huggy loves balloons. Gentle, gentle, pop! Oops, you hug too hard, Huggy. Look, Huggy, ice cream. Huggy loves ice cream. Gentle, gentle, squish! Oops, you hug too hard, Huggy. Look, Huggy, a fuzzy little dog. Huggy loves fuzzy little dogs. Wait, can you show Huggy how to be gentle? Can you give the fuzzy little dog a gentle hug? You did it! That was great, gentle hug. Your turn, Huggy. Remember, hug a gentle hug. Whew! Just right, Huggy. The end. You've been listening to Wee Beasties, Huggy the Python Hugs Too Hard by Dyckman. So today we are going to do a pet dog song. Are you ready? I have a dog and his name is Rags. He eats so much that his tummy sags. His ears flip-flop and his tail wig-wags. And when he walks, he goes zigzag, zigzag. My dog Rags, he loves to play. He rolls around in the mud all day. I call for him, toot-toot-toot, but he won't obey. He always runs the other way. We're going to do it one more time. You ready? I have a dog and his name is Rags. He eats so much that his tummy sags. His ears flip-flop and his tail wig-wags. And when he walks, he goes zigzag, zigzag. My dog Rags, he loves to play. He rolls around in the mud all day. I call for him, toot-toot, but he won't obey. He always runs the other way. Great job. Snakes by Hansen. Snakes are reptiles. All reptiles have scales and are cold-blooded. Snakes live in many different places. You can find them in water, forests, deserts, and prairies. Snakes come in many different colors and sizes. Snakes are long and thin. They do not have arms or legs. Every snake has a special tongue. The tongue is used to smell. Snakes eat insects, birds, and small mammals. They will also eat other reptiles. Some snakes kill their prey with venom. Other snakes squeeze their prey. Snakes shed their skin as they grow. Adult snakes also shed their skin, especially if it is worn or hurt. Most snakes lay eggs. Some snakes give birth to live young. Young snakes live on their own after they are born. Snakes usually live for 10 to 25 years. More facts. There are about 3,000 different species of snakes. Pythons are one of the longest snakes in the world. They can grow to be over 20 feet long. Snakes do not have eyelids. Glossary, cold-blooded animal whose blood temperature depends on the temperature outside. Desert, a very dry, sandy area with little plant growth. Forest, a large area of land with a lot of trees and other plants. Mammal, a warm-blooded animal that has hair and whose females produce milk to feed their young. Prairie, flat or grassy land. Prey, an animal hunted or killed for food. Scales, flat plates that form the outer covering of reptiles. Venom, a poison made by some animals. You have been listening to Snakes by Hansen. Hi guys, thanks for joining us for today's Animal Explorers Snakes. Were you slithering all around your house as we listened to our books today? We began our journey today with Wee Beasties, Huggy the Python Hugs Too Hard by Dyckman, published by Little Simon. Boy, Huggy had to learn how to be gentle. Have you guys ever had to be gentle with something? He popped the balloon. He didn't do so well with the ice cream, but he did much better with the dog after you guys helped him. I hope you guys know how to hug gently too. Then we read Snakes by Grace Hansen, published by ABDO, and we learned all sorts of cool things about how snakes have babies and they come in different colors and they are cold-blooded and they have all these cool things about them. Did you learn new stuff about snakes? Thanks for joining us today. Let us know your favorite animals so we can cover it in a future Animal Explorers.